Warhammer 40k request from Dave on Patreon. Eldar Guardian. So military type robot, or maybe they're not robots. Maybe it's like dudes in suits, with a big gun. Landscape page. Pencil eraser. Hit pause. We go too fast. We're going to start with the helmet. Head will be sort of up here. So helmet, turn sideways, curve that way, then spike up, and then it seems to disappear behind the face. So we got this little section here on his cheek, right, and then the chin comes across, spiked up, down, and then around the side of the face, which is pretty much just flat like this. You got like the helmet of the dude here. Just goes back straight and up around his ear. Eyes are in here, like red, sort of glowing sort of eyes, like in there. And then like little edge lines and stuff on this helmet. There. And then his head. Curves around that way to a real pointy bit that then goes down to there. And then we got like, it's done with shadows, but we got to draw it in. So there's like these little sort of ridges or edge lines and stuff that come up. And then we got like ear section. Like that. And then there is shoulder armor coming around from the back of the head. Where does that go? So we got like a section where this bulge comes out. Down. In. Over there, and then this seems to curve around the back of his neck somewhere. And we got to make this like a little bit three-dimensional, right? So we give it sort of these edge lines. There's like another rim or something here. And stuff like just bringing it down to there. This comes around the other side of his head. It's kind of like sitting on his shoulders. These sort of flat rectangular pieces. Okay, and then there are these tall pipes that come out from there. I'm going that way. Curves around, down. There's like little sort of inside sections. Another one over here, coming out from behind the head. So we got two arms, one not visible really, it's behind the gun. This is like the main one. So I guess we'll just get like his body position sort of in first. So like bumps down here. Shoulder armor is kind of what's defining the shoulder shape. Then we got like a bicep area. He's just come out to his elbow. Right, and then he's got like forearm, big forearm going this way. And then bicep here. And then some more sort of shoulder armor shapes inside there. There's all details on all these, but we'll just get the main shapes in first. So the hand comes across to the gun. And this is just knuckles, basically. So you've got like these sort of diamond knuckles or something on his gloves. Just all these edge lines for like, because it's all metal and stuff. This kind of curves around his wrist. Can't see the thumb because it kind of disappears behind the gun, which is there. So, right, so I guess we got back of his leg and waist, and so side body here. And then leg, he's kind of like walking, so leg goes this way. He's got a kneecap. Armor there. And then the side of his body. I wonder if it comes out from underneath his hand here. Like hip armor. Like his abs or something in there. Okay, so then we got to deal with this gun, and then I'll like add details and all that to his collar. Well, we can do his collar, I guess. Just a little V in here. Coming around, it's all the color black all in here. Might as well do that. Okay, and then this gun, so kind of detailed. It comes out from like, say, so like the back of his hand. It's got like a little rectangular portion. Curves up this way. So it's kind of bumpy and stuff. Excuse me. And then there's like a barrel at the back. Can't see a trigger. We can just see sort of the clip coming down right beside his hand there. There's all little sort of ridges coming off these. His other hand is there somewhere. Say we've got like, there's like a big spiky section here which goes up. There's a couple of these now, so go this way. Quite long. It looks like an elephant's tusk. Right, and then this just goes back all the way back to there, and then there's like a sighting section. Well, what looks like a sighting section goes back into there. right? Now, again, loads of details on this. So we've got like the barrel on the inside, and it's kind of triangular. Right, this would be shadowed. And then the inner part of the sight, they're dark all around this red sort of laser pointer here. Edge lines and stuff. And then there's like another red sort of laser section or something in there. That's red. There's another bar line. Goes back to there. And more of these like all on this. And then like little vents or something here. Following the curvature of the gun. And then his other hand, right? So you got like knuckles. 3, 4 of them, really can't see the thumb. And so each of these would be a finger. Right, kind of like that. And then you got like some of that knuckle armor, like on the other hand there. And then the forearm in behind this gun, just here, right? Kind of comes down to an elbow, which goes back up there. And this has like all this curved armor sort of coming around here. And we'll just finish shoulder pad there. Body coming down. Right, so we gotta like add edge details, so like make this look more like sort of metal parts and all that just on the gun, right? So he's got like an oval here, and then like the top of the barrel of the gun. Right, so all these sort of lines going down, edge lines on all this stuff. Glowing red in there. And then like some more sort of curvature things. So it's all kind of shaded and drawn digitally, so just keep adding until we're happy. And some more sort of chest armor there, and like these sort of lines coming down his chest. Kind of edge lines whenever there's a shoulder pad or anything, and these have like little circles inside them as well. Like holes in his pads or something. And always with the edge lines when you're doing a sort of mechanical robot type thing, it makes everything just look a little bit bumpier and sort of more three-dimensional. It's just a little trick. So like see like this pad here, you just boop, right, and then like a little sort of curved sort of lines on all this stuff. See like a little edge. I don't know why it works, just does. Couldn't tell you like the science behind it or anything. Like the optical illusion trick say like here. So I'm going to put an extra line here, and it just makes that look 3D, more raised up. Just works. Especially then if I added like a little shadow across that part, it would make it really pop. So if you color them all like silvery gray, and then just add a bit of a shadow on top, like here, like a highlight. If the light's coming from like this, anyway, that's a coloring thing. Yeah, edge line there, curve line there. Oh, ammo clip, is that right? And a little red rag. So ammo clip just curves up to the hand, right? And anything I draw over here, obviously I'll erase. So that's an ammo clip. And then there's like a little red piece of fabric just sort of floating in the wind behind. It seems to be on their hips. And I think, Dave, that's everything. Dave continuously supporting me on Patreon. What a legend. Level 3 member. Anyone else want me to draw stuff that I might not normally draw? Or stuff that I do, or like I just can't see your requests and all that kind of stuff. Head over to Patreon. Think about it anyway. You don't have to stay signed up. Or Super Thanks works as well. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.